Hello, welcome back to another amazing video of crochet craft creation. In today's video I bring different patterns of baby blankets that are super cute and super easy. You can welcome your babies in this super comfortable blanket. Hope you like this video. If you like, please do comment and also give thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel so you can watch upcoming videos. Don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Thank you. Enjoy the video. Bye bye. Hope you like this video. Please do comment if you like and also give thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your family and friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can watch the upcoming videos. Enjoy the video. Bye bye.